In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clean charts on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having a clear and clutter-free chart can make a world of difference in your analysis. Let's dive into the process, starting with clearing those unnecessary elements that might be crowding your view. First, let's remove any indicators you don't need. Open up the chart legend by clicking the arrow button located just under the symbol name. You'll see a list of all your indicators there. Simply click the trash icon next to any indicator you wish to eliminate. It's amazing how much more you can focus when you aren't distracted by unused data. Now, onto the drawings. If you're using TradingView on the web, you'll want to click on the Remove Drawings and Indicators option from the drop-down menu in the left panel. For mobile app users, tap the pencil icon to go into the Drawings area. Then tap Remove and select Remove All Drawings and Indicators. And just like that, everything you don't need will disappear, offering you a clean slate to work from. Next, we'll customize your chart's appearance to suit your visual preferences. Start by choosing a color scheme that's easy on the eyes, which can be adjusted in the chart settings. This is where your personal flair can really shine, and you'll notice how a simple change in colors can greatly enhance your focus and reduce visual fatigue. Once you've settled on a color scheme, adjust the grid lines and scales. Tailor the grid line appearances and the scale settings to decrease visual clutter further. This subtle modification helps to streamline the data presentation, making patterns and trends easier to identify and interpret. Choosing the right chart type is essential too. Depending on what suits your analysis best, you might opt for a candlestick chart or a simple line chart, for instance. This selection directly impacts how clearly you can visualize the asset's performance over time. Finally, after setting up a chart layout you're satisfied with, it's time to save these settings as a template. Click the Save icon to preserve your configuration as a default layout. By saving this to the cloud, you'll ensure that these customizations are accessible across any of your devices and available for future sessions. This simple action means no more configuring from scratch, keeping your workflow consistent and efficient. To wrap up, always focus on the essentials by displaying only the indicators and tools you actively use. This helps prevent overwhelming amounts of information and ensures that your charts remain an effective tool for decision making. Remember, by using templates, you maintain consistency across different markets and time frames, making your trading experience more streamlined and productive. And there you have it, folks. With these simple yet effective tweaks, your TradingView charts will become powerful, clean, and ready to help you make smarter decisions. Happy trading!